What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and this is episode 2 of my road to becoming funded $1 million in capital with Apex Trader Funding. As you can tell by the title of the video, I made about 2,400-ish bucks, almost 2,500 bucks on the day with Apex, and this was across 2 funded accounts. I lost one of them because, again, it was in drawdown, and even though Euro hit TP because of the spike up, well, this is not Euro right over here, because of the spike up, because I went to draw them, the spike up right here, my stop loss was up here. Because of this spike up, price ultimately, actually, let me close this out. Oh, good thing I closed that all. Because of this spike up right here, price went into drawdown, and ultimately, it took me out because, again, I only had a little bit of wiggle room left for me to get stopped out and lose the account, and that's what happened. This spike up made me lose my account, but ultimately the trade hit TP on my other 2 accounts because those were fresh accounts that you guys saw me show you yesterday. Those were fresh accounts. Let me go ahead and show you guys the profits on here, and I'll break down the trade for you guys. So this is just one account. This is $12.59 after taxes. It took about $11 or something, $13 for fees or commission, whatever the case is. And boom, that one and the other account too as well made the same amount. So 2,400 bucks on the day. You can see all this if you want to. Lasted about 4 hours or so. And yeah, that was it. Let me go ahead and break down the trade for you guys. I don't want this video to be too long. It was a simple Euro USD sell. Beautiful structure, beautiful trade, beautiful everything, beautiful price action. So weekly time frame was bearish. Daily time frame was bearish. You can see the daily is clearly bearish. The weekly is bearish as well. And all I simply waited for was a retest of 4-hour structure. So price created this low, high, broke the low. All I simply waited for was a retest of this zone over here. So if we dig a little deeper, we go down to smaller time frames, into lower time frames, we get a simple shift of structure. That's all I needed in order to take this trade. So we have this high, this low, high, low, high, and then this bearish engulfing that took out previous structure points. And this was a shift that I needed in order to take price at the downside. So I entered off of this candle, and you can see price stalled out a little bit and ultimately hit TP. There was news around 1:15 p.m., but I wasn't worried about it. It wasn't anything crazy. So, and again, this was beautifully aligned. This was a perfect trade. So even if it lost, it would have been a perfect trade. I'll take this trade every single day of the week, regardless if it wins or loses. This is my trading plan. This is my setup. As long as I manage risk, I'm going to come out on top. So beautiful trade, and you can see it hit TP. So that's that, and that is the end of the video, guys. I was also in a US 30 trade, but I ended up closing that out at a break even. Price is still holding very well. Stop loss up here if I were still in the trade. But I just decided to close it out just so I can secure profits on the Euro USD and not lose anything. So that was that. And I'm looking for oil, actually. Beautiful oil trade. I'm not in this, but when market opens again, because we're almost at market close, when market opens again, I'm hoping price comes down. I'm going to put a buy limit, taps me in, and continues to the upside because this is a beautiful trade on oil. I've been waiting for this the past 2 weeks or so. I've been waiting for oil to give me a clean setup, and this is a clean setup that I'm looking for on oil. So with that being said, I showed you guys a trade, showed you guys the profits. Let me actually show you on here as well. You can see on one account 51,246, again, commission, fees, whatever the case is. And on another account, same thing. So 2,400 bucks in total, and yeah, we're just going to continue scaling up, continue pushing forward, and get those 10 trading days. And I think I have to make 2,500 on each account before I can withdraw. I have to make sure, but I think I have to make about 2,500 on each account. So that's that. I think we're 2 trading days in, or 1 trading day into the account. Once I get to 2,500, there's a consistency rule with Apex, so I'm going to have to follow that. I don't want to break it down right now. Again, I don't want this video to be too long, but there's a consistency rule that I have to follow on Apex. So I'm going to do that after I hit the trading days, or after I hit the required amount that I need to make to withdraw. So that's that. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.